Alright guys, what's up? McRib here, and this is kind of a different kind of video. I'm still working on the toolbox tour video, so give me some time. I really want to take my time on that video and kind of go into depth, as well as putting part numbers, but I'm going to be working on a Toyota Camry. Let me flip the camera around. So, I have a 2009. We're doing axle, spark plugs, and trans service. So went with the Idemitsu. I know a lot of Toyotas use that. Went for Denso. I feel like when it comes to Japanese cars, I either use Denso or NGK. And axle, we went with an aftermarket brand, Track Motive. We're doing a driver side axle on this. This one's starting to leak. But yeah, let's get into it. Got my helper here. Milo. Alright, so if you catch yourself, you're going to do the spark plugs yourself. You're going to need to remove this cover. It's held on by two 10mm acorns. And then you're going to want to do the 10mm bolts for these. It also looks like someone's already been in here because that connector's broken, that connector's broken holding it in, and that one too. The only one, that one's broken too. So there's a clear sign. Also, these three coil packs look new compared to this one. So yeah, so make sure to do your due diligence, kind of look over. I mean, I'm gonna probably put a zip tie on, but the best course of action would be to get 4 new coil pack connectors. All right, so you're gonna want to get yourself a 16mm spark plug socket, get it on top of there, make sure it seats right. You should feel it. I already broke it loose with my ratchet, but yeah, it's gonna take a 16mm. So here's cylinder 1 removed spark plug. Let me get this in shot. This car hasn't been serviced a lot with the spark plug, so I recommend we do it. Here's cylinder 2. I broke it loose. Let's see, let's get this out. You want to get yourself about a 6-inch extension so you can get deep inside the spark plug hole. Let's see. There it is. Yeah, I mean, these don't look bad. There's no like oil on them. I mean, they're just old. This car runs really well. There's no check engine light. There's no running lean, running rich. Like, the owner, as soon as the check engine light comes on, takes care of it. So, I mean, the proof is in the pudding. Alright, so all 4 have been removed. All the spark plugs. Here they are in order of cylinder 1 through 4. I mean, they all look normal, but one thing I did notice is they were replaced at one point. I see NGK, the IR for Iridium. Let me put my hand behind it so it can focus. Yeah, it doesn't say like Toyota on it, but they've been replaced at one point, but the person before did not remember when. So they definitely have been touched. Obviously, we saw the connectors broken right there, NGKs. So we're going with Denzos. I mean, kind of a similar thing. It's all the same to me. As long as you don't put Autolites, Champions, some cheap brand, always do NGK or Denzos. But yeah, we're gonna get those in. So we got the new plug on. I can't stress this enough. Always start these by hand. Last thing you want is this quick and easy job to turn into a nightmare. So I can feel the threads catch. If you use a gun and you strip it, you're in for a nightmare, bud. So yeah. Start the other ones now. Alright, so we have the torque spec set to 14. If you don't have an electronic one, no biggie. You would have to use the twist. So here we go. You're going to get it up in there. Make sure it seats on there. There you go. Do one more. There you go. 14. And that's how you're gonna do these spark plugs. Pretty easy. I'm just gonna button everything up, put the coil packs on, and yeah, this car will be done. So there you have it. Spark plugs are fairly easy, especially if it's a 4-cylinder, whether it be a 4-cylinder Honda, kind of any Japanese car. Make it fairly easy to get to. Just need a 14mm or 16mm, and you can get it done easily. I'm gonna film doing the axle. So if any of you guys have a Toyota Camry 4-cylinder, it's gonna be straightforward. It's kind of like all the Japanese cars do it the same. they don't really redesign how to put an axle in or take one out or how it all connects. But yeah, if you like this, let me know. Peace. So let's see. This car didn't have a misfire or anything, but let's see it start up. Good old Toyota, man. These things are reliable, no issues. But yeah, I'm gonna have to conclude this out, close it out. So just simple spark plug job, pretty easy, rated at 2 out of 10. I mean it's pretty easy. But yeah, if you have any questions, just drop them down below. If you like these kind of videos, let me know. I'm gonna try to document more of the cars I work on and try to make content for, like, you know, how-tos or whatnot, since I work on a lot of cars every weekend. So figured I'd take advantage of this and shoot content, you know. And I'm gonna be filming how to do the axle on this as well as the transmission pan gasket. So yeah, thanks. Peace. Say bye to Milo too.